In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Sheets into Monday.com. We'll walk through how to bring an existing Google Sheet into Monday.com as a brand new board, so you can start managing your work visually without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens a small menu with several options related to your account. In that menu, find and select the option called Import Data. This is where Monday.com gathers all the different ways you can bring information in from other tools. On the Import Data screen, you'll see a few different services you can connect. Go ahead and click on Google Sheets. When you do this for the first time, Monday.com will ask you to connect to your Google account. Click Connect, then sign into your Google Drive using your regular Google credentials. If you're already signed in on your browser, you may just need to confirm the connection and allow Monday.com to access your files. This access is what lets Monday.com read your spreadsheets so it can import them. Once the connection is complete, you'll see a list of your Google Sheets files from your drive. Browse through your files and select the spreadsheet you want to turn into a board. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that your sheet is organized with clear headers in the first row before importing, because those headers will become your column names inside Monday.com. After choosing the file, Monday.com will prompt you to map your data. Here, you'll define what the first row and the first column represent in your new board. Typically, the first row is used for column headers like task name, owner, status, and due date. And the first column is often your main item name, such as the task or project name. Take a moment to ensure that this mapping matches how your sheet is structured. Next, click on Let's Customize Your New Board. This is where you define the column types, which is crucial for making your board truly useful. For example, you can set one column as an owner column to assign people, another as a status column to track progress, and another as a date column for deadlines. Matching your data to the right column types unlocks Monday.com's automations, filtering, and views. When you're happy with the setup, click Create Board. Monday.com will now build a new board from your Google Sheet, preserving your data and transforming it into a visual, interactive workspace you can start using right away.